growth in a time of crisis, because we've had the pandemic.
Yeah.
Italy was hit hard. Northern Italy, where you're based, Veneto, was hit hard. How has it affected your business, or maybe your personally? How has it affected your work as a salesman? I mean, you travel a lot.
Yes. It was in the first beginning, to the end of the February and beginning of the March.
In 2020.
Yeah, but 2020 last year was something like a shocking the first time, because everything comes so quickly, strange situation.
So what happened?
Yeah, we had, for example, in that week, in that time, we have something like 6 customers in the same week that come together with different our area manager to see some our plant around Italy, to come here to visit us, to make some tests. And in 1 week, everybody called us to say, sorry, there is the problem. We know that in Italy there is this hard situation. We cannot come, or our government say that we cannot travel to Italy now. My situation was that I was in travel in of Italy, and one customer called me and say, sorry Matteo, tomorrow morning we have a meeting, but our region government say that people from your city cannot come inside. So it was really difficult in the first time. After we had also the lockdown, and lockdown give us something like 3 weeks completely stop. But we invest this time to say, okay, now we cannot do something physically inside there, but with smart work with the guys in project office, we say, okay, now it's time to study something. Because when we restart again, we have to restart stronger. We study also new solution, new things on the machine. So we make some upgrade. We speak with some other customer outside.
So you made something good out of a bad situation.
Yeah, yes. So after 2-3 months, when we restart again, because not only us, but some problem come also from our supplier. Some carpentry, some people that do some part with the iron.
The supplies of spare parts, maybe materials.
Yes. Everything was in delay when we start again, but step by step we say, okay, now this is the time to do something more. We take this way. Some customers say also, okay, it's not a good time because we don't know what will happen in the future, but somebody say, okay, no, now is the time to invest, because when we start, we want to start better.
To be prepared when the times improve,
yes. So it was not easy, is also till now not easy. Why? Because changed so much our job. I mean that before, as you know, when people have to do some big investment, want to see, want to touch, we have some customer or some potential customer that send to us material to make some tests. So of course it's normal, it's pretty good if you see.
When look see with their own eyes.
Yes. You see your material that come inside the plant on the line, and you have in your hand the output, the result, so they feel the business.
Now they could not come, and they had to see, to watch remotely.
So this year was changing this approach, because we do the same but by video. So we take some video conference to speak together with the project and everything. We take some smartphone to show directly the test of their material, and we made a lot of job in this way. Now the people also step by step start to understand that maybe also in the future will be different something, so they approach also video conference, something like this, but finally, of course, for sure, customer want to touch the machine, want to see material. The situation, the pandemic situation now is going better, step by step. So, for example, one good thing is you are here, so we started to...
Well, thank you.
We started to have some visit from people outside. Now the situation is better with the vaccine. Okay.
Everything is opening up again,
yeah.
And that's better for everyone.
Yes.
You've learned how to deal with the crisis situation.
Yes. change different situation, different solution to find a good way to collaborate with the customer. We had also in the past a problem like everybody, not only us, our competitors, but all the world for the installation outside, with the technician. Now the situation for sure is better. Was a little bit complicated, different kind of approach, but the main important thing was to stay close to the customer.
Yeah, and you've managed that.
Yeah.